Mangwanani, mhuri yeZimbabwe tine nyaya inosiririsa, inowisa tsitsi, inorwadza. Ndiri mudzimai ane makore 32. Nyaya yangu yakamira yakadai so. Mumba medu takazvarwa tiri 6 with different fathers. Amai vaitoroorwa zvinoshamisa nekuchata pavarume vese ava, asi marriage yaisalasta. Tasara hedu tava 5, mumwe wepakati akashayika. After many failed marriages, amai vakazoita imwe boyfriend ndaamugrade 6, vakatanga kugara vese ndaaform 1. Havana kuroorana, zvaive zvekubika mapoto, asi murume uyu aiva muCIO. Havana kuita mwana vese for a reason I don't even know, nekuti that was my mother's signature, kutenda varume nemusoro wemwana. Anyway, regai ndipinda munyaya yangu yandiudza pano. Zvakangotanga rimwe zuva kuti chikomba chamai, regai ndichiti Edi uyu aisimboti kana vachinotenga magroceries emumba aenda namai kana kuti vaenda neboys. Zvakangotanga rimwe zuva kuti chikomba chamai, regai ndichiti Edi uyu aisimboti kana achienda kunotenga magroceries emumba aenda namai kana kuti neboys. Asi zvakazongotanga kuti pose paaida kuenda kumagroceries angava kuda kuti oenda neni, regai ndizviti Saru. Every last week of the month taenda kumagroceries inena Edi. Zvekuti vamwe vana were now complaining kuti sei musaendi nesu. And in his defense aibva ati Saru is smart. That's why ndichifamba naye blah blah blah. And the issue died down. My mom never made a fuss about it. Edi akazotanga kupa macomments tiri mota like, Saru, do you know wakanaka? Usatamba-tamba nevakomana. Ende watu vakasikana. Pandakauya kuzogara namai vako, usina kana mazamu. Izvezvi hausi wakutoenda kumwedzi here. You'd be making such nasty comments, but you know being a child, you brush a lot of things out. He started making sexual advances, which I did not like. But kuti ndiudze amai, it was not an option because amai was deeply in love with this man. Who would she believe? I did not have any sibling to confide in. Nekuti ndanga ndatomakwa kuti ndini ndinofarirwa naEdi and gets to enjoy the good stuff. Let me take you back, Mbichana. My father had moved kuChand with another family, and zvinonzi pakamboita mutauro kuti amai vakanga vapomera baba vangu nhombo yangu iyo iri yomwe murume. So nababa were very estranged. On this fateful day, we went out naEdi as usual. We did our groceries, ndobva ati handi tinodya before we head home. We went tikanodya, tapedza we drove to an unknown place where we parked. It was a very isolated place. That's when he started touching me. Out of innocence, I just started crying. Edi kwakubva atanga kupopota kuti, hey, why are you crying? As if I'm killing you. Ndamboti toda kukuuraya here. What I'm doing to you is something that every girl in your age experience. I thought you were brain smart, but I guess I was wrong. This is how you thank me after everything I did for you and your family. He was very infuriated. It looked like he was possessed. On this day, I was raped. We went back home and I was in a lot of pain, which my mother and everyone noticed. And Edi said she was referring to Saru, complaining of period pain, just to brush the issue off. But I know that everyone knew he was lying, and they all said nothing. I was devastated. I was broken. Growing up in a broken family, I did not know who to turn to. What made it worse was knowing that they all knew Kuti I was not okay. A month passed, and mom told me to go with Edi just like our usual monthly routine. Ndakaramba. But then she made it clear kuti pano wabva hako. Ndoendepi hama dzababa andisati ndambodziona. Kwamai, it was a non-starter. Backed in the corner, I had to go, and he raped me again. This time, I felt pain deep inside me. And at this moment, I believe my soul left my body. I could not take it anymore at this point. I felt dead. This man sleeps with my mother. I had a female friend at school who was staying with a brother and a maid. The parents were Garakujon. Why we were twice a year, so the house was free. I begged her to let me stay while I figured things out. I did not tell her the actual reason, but she could see I was battling demons. Ndakanogara kumba kwefriend, regai ndimuti Sandy. But within a week, Edina mom came, wakaita noise and took me home. That very same month, I skipped my period. Numbu, I can't be pregnant. Ha! This is all just a dream, but that was the sad and unacceptable reality for me. At this point, I was willing to risk it all. I told my mother everything that Eddie had done, amai wakajamuka, and called me a homewrecker, and that I'm against a marriage na Eddie. And ndidi kuona vachifara, and she made it clear that I'm not going to be the reason her relationship with Eddie fails. Eddie told the whole family kuti ndakatiza pamba kunorara nevakomana kumba kwana Sandy. And by this time, they came to take me. I was pregnant. Now I am trying to destroy my mother's marriage. I tried every natural remedy kuti numbu ibe. Zvese zvairapa. Ndakamwa safe, makape cooking oil, tanganda, tea. I did everything numbu kana kubva. By the way, here we had moved into my home. Ndaiswero tukwa nekushungurudzwa. Namondo yandakatamba. 8 months numbu yakarwadza ndokumhanyisa kuchipatara. Takasvika tikanzi mwana ane maweeks afira mudumbu. Pakuda emergency section. My operation yakaita complications obo, and I was underage. Ndakaita multiple infections and I had to stay in hospital for more than a month, but I was a disturbed child. One nurse in charge noticed that I was not okay deep down, so ndiye aipota achiuya achinditaudza until I finally opened up my ordeal. She alerted the police, vakauya vakatora mastatement. Eddie was arrested, but hakuna zvakaenda. Within 24 hours, anga abuda in police custody. Kwa mungasungi mashefuka. I was discharged and went back home, but there was nothing welcoming about the whole situation. Eddie na mom vanga vanetsana nenyaya yekusunga kwakaitwa Eddie, and he moved out. So I thought at that time, but years later, ndakazoziva kuti vakanga varongerana na Eddie kuti since my mother could no longer give birth, ini ndichabhadhara Eddie nekumuzvarira mwana in turn for all he had done for my mom and the whole family. Amai vakazoti sezvo wakasarudzwa kuti haudi kundiona ndichifara ndiri pamurume, newewo ibva hako pano. Asi kwekuenda chokwadi panga pasina. Ndakashingirira for 2 years ndichishungurudzwa pambapa kusvika ndabva ndokuya kuno kuSouth Africa. Through help yamai Sandy, ndikatanga kushanda stay in. I had too many traumas, but ndakazvishingisa and told myself I would not grieve anything that was taken away from me, including my innocence, because then I would become too weak and vulnerable. So I put on a camouflage and live life like that. I did not have battle scars. I worked myself up to the top. Ndakatanga kuoda ndichitengesa over the years. I invested my time in business. Ndaisada kunzwa chinonzi murume pamberi pangu. My business bloomed and I started going kunana China, Turkey, Italy, Dubai. I was doing well, I thought, but had deep-rooted unsolved traumas that would later cost me everything. 2015, as usual, I went on about with my business. I'd gone to Turkey to collect my carpet orders. I met this Italian guy at the airport and we talked about all sorts, exchanged numbers. I could not pinpoint what exactly I liked about him, but I just felt comfortable with him. This feeling was alien to me because I thought I was strictly guarding my emotions. The last thing in my mind was having a relationship, but that day changed everything. It seems the devil was not through with me. Part 2, loading. We're going to wait for the second part. This is a very sad story, but I'm so sorry, my sister. I don't know what you think, but you can leave a comment in the comment section.